Good day. Welcome to King Wilma's Everything. Today we have a SIM adapter card. Yes, a SIM adapter card. The most exciting thing in the world is a SIM adapter card. This is a 5-in-1 SIM adapter card. But the best part about it, hold on, don't you get spoiled, for all-purpose application, but it's from Aerb. What a great name, Aerb. I don't know if it stands for something or if maybe it's Aerb? Aerb? I think it's Aerb. But it's SIM card adapter, so you can convert nano SIM card to micro SIM, micro or standard SIM. Narrow to micro. Bam. Micro to normal. Ooh, normal. And then nano to normal. So you get like all three adapters. I only need one, but the price was right. I think it was $4.99 or $4. It's pretty cheap. But it comes with the little SIM pusher outer. The nano to micro. Is that what it is? It converts nano to micro, the micro to, let's see, micro to normal, and then nano to normal. So you get a little bit of each. So I'm going to keep these extra pieces. And it looks like you get some files. So I assume if your SIM card's a little too big, you can wedge it down a little. Oh, look at this. You don't even have to open it up. They did such a nice little job. And let's get it out. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, wait, it's stuck together. I get it. I get it now. Well, you kind of get the idea. This is for my new phone. And, of course, I have a nano SIM, and it uses a micro SIM. Oh, there we go. See the simplest things in the world? Bam. But you get your little adapters, you'll end up with some extra ones, and even the little tool, so you don't have to use a paper clip or something. So that's kind of a nice little touch, but for a couple bucks, you can't beat it. And like I said, I'll put these away in case, you know, I ever get a phone that uses a normal SIM. I'm not sure if many phones use that anymore, but if they do, we got one. If not, I can find somebody that needs one at some point, and we'll have a spare. So basically what you do, you take your little SIM card, plop it in there, jam it in the hole, and you're done. And that makes it work. So that's pretty cool. So this is the one I need, the little itty bitty one, because it's just a little too small. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you the SIM card adapter from Aerb 5-in-1. And here's the barcode if you like barcodes and things like that. But I'm going to post a little link in the comments where I got it on Amazon for a couple bucks. Now there's millions of these. I picked this one specifically because it was called Aerb. Have a great day.